Hello guys, this is Capricorn 76 Tarot. This is weekly Virgo reading, July. So let's see what's coming up next week for you, Virgo. So please subscribe my channel if you already subscribed it, then thank you. So let's see Virgo, what's going on, what's the next is coming in your life. I hope this resonates with you. I hope so. If this resonates with you, then please say okay, this is your side and this is your partner side, Virgo. So let's see your energy and their in this week. So the Emperor is Aries and Taurus. You are just manifesting lots of things. Your mature level is very high, Virgo, because you are just not a blind in love type of energy to give this person, but you also love this person. Maybe Virgo, you're dealing with Gemini, also Aries, and your maturity is very different to them, Virgo, because the lover is also Gemini. The feelings are very mutual. So this is the truth. You love this person very clearly, but also you want your standard. You also want this person to protect you and give you everything in a right thing, because you deserve it. So King of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. Also maybe you're dealing with Aquarius or Libra, but let's see your partner side. Okay, Queen of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. Nine of Pentacles, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo energy, and Seven of Swords. So I just see the other lady. Maybe the two couples are different, but also they have independent issue. Also they are running from you. Also you, Virgo, running from love too. So it's kind of different scenarios. Maybe you're dealing with divorced lady, Virgo, because the love is mutual also is there. So the father issue is in your side. Maybe someone is very powerful coming up to your life, or also affecting on your love life, Virgo. So Seven of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. So this person is cheating on you, Virgo. You feel that, okay? They cut you off, they're cold to you. Also they are just very independent, selfish energy they're giving to you, because they are just in that mode to self-love, self-care also including in their side too, because they're independent, good. They also very dreamy boy, girl, because this person have lots of dreams in their life, so they want to achieve it first, then they just thinking about you, Virgo. Maybe it could be vice versa. Maybe you are thinking about that, dreaming, Virgo, or you just want something new and serious type of energy from this person. Also you're ready for mature level and next level, practical level. Okay, Virgo. So this person is cheated on you maybe in the past, but the coming in and out energy also is inflecting your love life, Virgo, because this person is running from you, running from feelings, running from something. Like they just don't cut you off completely. They in and out. You're tired, you just shut that person out in your life, Virgo. Okay, the Queen of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. Maybe you, Virgo, you're dealing with divorced lady, one single parent also, and they are very independent, and you are maybe also single mother or father. So that's where you are just want something freedom, maturity level is you are on that place right now, Virgo. You just want something real stuff. You don't want money, luxury things, or just blah blah. So you just need what you really need in real life, or real stuff, like a care, like affection, attention, concentration, or also love, care. So let's see, Virgo, this is your partner energy. So they are cheated on you. They may be thinking about you cheated on them. You are just confusing. Also they are also confusing by you. So the lots of confusion is there, but your side is very mature rather than, because they are very flirty, sneaky energy they are giving to you in this week. Maybe they are just lied to you, they are cheated on you, or something. They are just break the promise. because the lady, so you are just very tied to them. You just don't need any force type of energy in this relationship. Virgo, you just want to flow with that person. If this person is loyal to you, then that's all. If this person is not loyal or true to you, then you have no time for eye on them or just want to babysitting on them. So that's it. The rest and consider. So yeah, release is also there. So maybe this is your sign to release your ex, and then you get your fruit and also reward. But release your ex, maybe release something, release it's a tension, it's a lots of assuming things, just release. Or maybe you are thinking about too much this person, Virgo. So that's the release type of thing, and it's also popped on. So rest and consider. So take rest and think about other perspective of this relationship, or maybe thinking about their view, Virgo, because you are just very rigid also. So just see the true colors of situation or peoples who are just misguiding you, leading you, maybe your close friends also. But just see the true color of this person. If this love is right, then you didn't give too much effort. Okay, so this is okay. Rest and consider. So just make the rest your, like, just rest and consider just what you want, Virgo. Just see their actions and see the true colors, or divine gave you, or also they are just coming up to you and tell you about everything, they just what they want from you, Virgo. So the lady is also there. So this is you, Virgo. If you are female, your partner, or you, maybe doesn't matter, but female lady is also coming, and it's a mean you are just grooming, healed. You're very powerful. Maybe you didn't know either, but this is very strong feeling. Romantic feeling is also there. So don't ruin your feelings, Virgo. This is my advice. If this person tell you they love you, they care about you, then don't force them to give you commitment. Just be patient, rest and consider. Everything is going to right thing in a right moment. So just be patient. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. If this person love you and also they want to tell you, like, you, it's kind of, maybe you just don't want to tell you how they, how you feel for them. That's maybe the big misguiding and misleading thing is affecting in your love life, Virgo. Maybe you're thinking too much, or maybe you just want to, like, everything is cut off type of energy you are giving to this person. Also you're very strict, cold to them, cold shoulder, unemotional, or maybe simple acts of kindness. So yeah, this is your message. This is you and your partner, Virgo. But see, please be kind, be positive. If this person give you the positive attitude and they want to talk with you, then do it, Virgo. Just don't show any ego attitude. Simple act of kindness organize you and bring happiness to those around you. So those are around you, like your lovers, family members, friends, for protecting you. Okay, just see the worth, Virgo. If this person is love you, so they are coming back to your life in a other way. So the lady is, see the kindness, see the birds, see. Don't force anybody, Virgo. Not force. The forcing thing is not good in relationship. The love, the respect, the care is equal, give and take type of thing in relationship. So you can't buy any, person's feelings, or maybe this person don't feel like a way with you. But please be patient. Everything is going in the right moments. They give you commitment, love, offer what you really want. So just give them another chance. Give them a chance to tell their story, tell their view to you. Just listen, just rest and consider. Don't assume things. Don't assume things that they didn't even say about that things to you. Okay, don't do that. This maybe ruined your relationship. too much thinking, too much anxiety or depression or also stressing. So just make a flow. Romantic feeling is also there, so your side is very pure. I mean, you love this person and in a very mature way. You just want to protect them, you just want to have a happy family with them. You're just picturing yourself in that person or in that life's Capricorn, but in a good way. Okay, but this person maybe makes you more uncomfortable because of their unpredictable things or adventurous type of nature. They give you the double mind thing. They tell you different thing what they do it. I mean, okay, like their actions are different to their words. Okay, so air signs are very freaky, sneaky also. Don't get me wrong, but it's kind of, but they are very free bird, freedom addicted person they are, and they are very cool also. So let's see, Virgo, let me know in comments. So stay positive, stay kind, and rest. Okay, everything is going right in the right moment, so don't stress anybody, don't stress to your own self, don't burden about the situation or future. You didn't know what next is coming, because the future is unexpected. We know that we can't picture, imagine this future about. Okay, we just pray about good future, that's all. And that's all in that's all, because this is prayer is in our hand, and nothing expect else. So let's see. Subscribe my channel if you're new, then subscribe my channel. If you already subscribed, then thank you, and thank you.